Is Peacock buffering right when the game gets good? It is likely ISP throttling. Here is how to fix it in 3 easy steps and get smoother streams. Internet service providers often slow down your connection when they detect high bandwidth streaming. This artificial bottleneck is what causes that annoying lag. But you can bypass these limits by masking your traffic. Let's dive into step 1, hiding your stream from your ISP. Step 1 is to use a high-quality VPN. By encrypting your data, your ISP can't see that you are watching Peacock, preventing them from slowing you down. Simply open your VPN app, select a nearby server for the best speeds, and hit connect. Your traffic is now invisible to the throttle. With your traffic masked, we need to ensure your connection path is clean. Step 2 is all about your DNS settings. Step 2, switch to a public DNS like Google or Cloudflare. Often, ISP-provided DNS servers are congested or intentionally slowed. Enter 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. This ensures a more direct and faster route to Peacock's streaming servers. Finally, let's optimize the Peacock app itself. Step 3 focuses on internal playback settings to maximize stability. Step 3. Open your Peacock settings and look for video quality. If you are on a shaky connection, toggling auto can sometimes trigger throttling. Manually selecting the highest available resolution can force the stream to stay consistent, provided your VPN is active and masking the load. So, to stop the buffering, 1. Use a VPN, 2. Switch your DNS, and 3. Lock in your app settings. These 3 steps combined will bypass most ISP-level throttling and give you the smooth 4K experience you are paying for. For more quick and easy tech fixes like this, subscribe to Sleek Guides. Don't let your ISP control your viewing experience. Thanks for watching. Remember, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. See you in the next guide.